Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present what is the best investment broker or best stockbroker in Netherlands. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get here on the DEGIRO website, and you want to scroll down below and see here Netherlands, and then go to the right top and you can simply open an account. And DEGIRO, in my opinion, is the best stockbroker, and only because this. I made also the video in which I was comparing the best investment brokers in Europe, and I really think that DEGIRO is one of the best in Netherlands, and also not only because the brokerage who has the best review website said that DEGIRO is the best discount broker and best broker for stock trading, but the one thing that I really like is that they don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit fee or withdrawal fee. When you would come here to fees, they have only a small fee. Let me show you here. Netherlands, 0.50 plus 0.004 cents per share. And also, another thing is that there is also a list of ETFs that can be traded for free once a month, meaning either one buy or one sell transaction. So, because of this, I believe that DEGIRO is one of the best in Netherlands. And also the buying stocks is pretty simple too. So yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And like, even when I would compare the account opening, in inactivity brokers you have inactivity fee. Interactive brokers you have inactivity fee. In eToro you got withdrawal fee, and the highest the conversion fees, and you don't have it like in different languages, only English. So that's a bonus too. That on DEGIRO you have it. So yeah, thank you very much guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.